Hello friends, subscribe my channel IDP examination based question. Nowadays people live in a society where consumer goods are relatively cheaper to buy. Do you think the advantages outweigh its disadvantages? ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਅੱਜ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਦੇ ਦਿਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੋਕੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕਿ ਕੰਜ਼ਿਊਮਰ ਗੁੱਡਸ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਬੜੀਆਂ ਸਸਤੀਆਂ ਮਿਲ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ। ਇਹਦੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਫਾਇਦੇ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਨਾਲੋਂ? ਚਲੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਇੰਟਰੋਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਬਣਾਵਾਂਗੇ। इंट्रोडक्शन बना ली। सब तो पहले आप क्वेश्चन रीफ्रेज करांगे, फिर थीसिस बनावांगे, फिर BP1 तो BP2 एंड विच कनक्लूजन। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। कंज्यूमरिज्म हैज़ बीन स्पॉटलाइट रिसेंटली। People today live in a world where acquiring item might not that expensive as it used to decades ago. Indeed, it is true because technology, method of the payment, as well as government policy to the economy could help improve that pillar in a person's life. I then strongly defend that even though this situation may present downside, I still see some positive development toward this evaluation. BP1 to begin with, there are some obvious positive sides regarding purchasing goods, especially if they have a good price. As people spend more money, they directly help the company enhance their profitability and thus more job vacancy might be created. It is a gear that they work perfectly, linking the willingness to the consume, solidification of the company, and then manpower necessity. Another important consideration is that as a consumerism increase, more innovative product will emerge and naturally people will prefer more developed goods. Once a high quality product is valuable in the market, its price will accompany what it's offer. As a result, older product may become cheaper and then it broaden the society possibility to purchase an item. It is a matter of also being inclusive to the poor classes. BP2, on the other hand, it is possible to outline some negative development with the advent of the capitalism. Some companies are focused exclusive on the profit, and to that occur they need to produce good with less quality. Even though it could be cheaper, consumer will get a poor product, then the cost benefit is a fall. Obviously, it is not a frequent event, although people need to be aware of the sales strategy to not buy a thing expecting another. Besides that, as people might see immediate movement, they do not measure how addictive it is to buy the products, and when they do, they might already have huge debates. It's usually happen in the underdeveloped country where the people fight strongly to buy the certain item and they are played by advertisement. In conclusion, contemporary world allow people to have a better life with more purchased goods. Although there are some disadvantages and they have their merits, I defend this trend has brought more positiveness. As people work, they tend to spend more money and hugely influence the chain, helping increase the product quality. Afterward, on the contrary, some industry only face their profit and might play with the people minds and develop poor quality to them.